Wiedersehen. I am Professor Victor von Veriak, and welcome to my science program. Today we will test the proposition that it is possible to fry an egg on the head of an funny atheist. Herr Holding shall assist me on this endeavor. Herr Holding?
So, fundy atheist, what's your favorite alleged Bible error?
I'll tell you what it is. It's John 12:24. Jesus says a kernel of wheat falls to the ground and dies. And Paul says the same of a seed in 1 Corinthians 15. Seeds don't die, so those two verses are scientifically false. And Jesus and Paul are morons.
Yeah, look. The word for die carries both a literal and a figurative meaning, usually with reference to death and sin. You're assuming that the word equates with our modern idea of clinical death. But that can't be, since such a concept did not yet exist in that time, and medical textbooks were thousands of years in the future. What you need to show is that the word means only the total extinguishing of life signs and of living matter in a given organism, and that concept applied not only to animal matter, but to plant matter as well. As it is that Jesus draws a parallel here to his resurrection, a case in which his body did not get to decay to any real extent, it suggests rather a view in which seeds retained the spark of life in them even as the outer shells perished.
And there we have it. It is indeed possible to fry an egg on the head of an funny atheist. See you next time. Guten Tag.